And hey guys, and welcome one more time, guys. We're over at the All-Star Music Resort, guys. Now you can see Morgan over there. We're just getting our new room over here. We're actually supposed to be over in the All-Star Movies, but the reservation got switched to over here. Here's Marley again, guys. So this is almost the exact same room. It actually looks exactly the same as the last room we just left, guys. And we're in this whole new resort section, but it's the exact same stuff. So you guys see, you walk in, you've got your bathroom in the back here. You got all the new sliding showers and stuff like that. You've got all this new area here for getting dressed, changed. So they switched all these resorts around. Let me spin this around and show you guys the room. So once again, the floors, these are the floors that they're using nowadays. No more carpeting. You don't have that band that goes all the way around the top that tells you if it's music, movies, or the All-Star Sports. But you've got your big TV in there. You've got your dresser in front. You've got your little coffee station, which we're actually utilizing right now because it's like really super cold outside today. We got lucky last week. This week it's starting off super cold, but there's your door. This is, Morgan's gonna show you this bed right here.
So what you want to do is you want to move the chairs out of the way because it will stop the bed from
And if you remember last time, I actually hit the chairs. So you pull them out and this is your bed. So watch Marley here. Don't get that thing on you. That'll hurt.
You good?
Yep, bring it on down. And this is your table/bed assembly. Will you check that out, guys? So if you guys are booking this online, there's a little like an exclamation point next to the beds. Click on that and it'll tell you what kind of beds you got in the room, because you can get different kinds here. But this is the light Marley's going to turn on. This is new pictures up behind the bed and stuff like that, guys. But this is the All-Star Music Room. So they're all pretty much the same and stuff like that, but they're kind of cool. As you can see, we got the whole family up here today, including me. Hey!
I'm going to put this bed up.
Give you guys one last look before we head on out of here. You got your little vanity right there. You got your shirt. And you've got that little line. I don't know if I told you guys, but that little chrome thing up on top is a pull-out string so you can hide your bathing suits. Hang them right on there and dry them off. And there's Morgan putting the table back together. But that's it for in here, guys. We're going to see you guys on the next one. Stay posted, guys.